Hi there. Let's walk through how to place an order using the Quick Order feature on chartparts.com. Start by navigating to chartparts.com. Then go to the Quick Order section in the top menu. Next, click Import Order. Do you have a file from TechService or one of our team? If so, import that here by choosing Select from your computer. Once you've found the file on your computer, proceed by clicking Import Order. If you haven't received anything from TechService or our team, it's best to start by downloading our template. Just click here. Once you've opened and updated the template with the products you want, you can save it. After saving, select the file from your computer and choose Import Order. Once you've imported the order, you can quickly add the items to your cart. Not ready to place your order? No problem. You can request a quote here by clicking the three dots by the shopping cart. Check the box for Request Quote and follow the next steps to process quote. Your quote will be emailed immediately. When you're ready, continue to the checkout process. From the entire Chart Industries team, thank you for your support in your business. We appreciate you.